To book a Now ride, select the Create New Ride button. A blank ride form opens for you to enter information about the passenger and the ride. The default option in the When field is already set to Now. In the Passenger Name field, type the passenger's name. You may type the passenger's name in any way, but it is recommended to at a minimum put in the passenger's first name because this name will display to the driver in the driver app. Beyond this, consider your local or state's privacy laws when deciding whether to enter in first name and last initial, or just first name. In the Passenger Phone Number field, type a valid phone number that the passenger can be reached at. It's very important to enter a valid and complete phone number including area code because the system uses this phone number to send automated text messages to the passenger about ride status. Additionally, this is the phone number the driver will see in the driver app if they need to contact the passenger. The From field is for the address that the passenger needs to be picked up from. If the pickup address is the dealership, click the Station button and the dealership's address will automatically populate. For other addresses, begin typing the address in the field. As you type, the font will be red and address suggestions will automatically appear in a drop-down list. Continue typing until you see the address you're looking for in the drop-down list and then select it. The field will populate with a completed address and the font will turn to black. Please note, it is necessary to select an address from the auto suggestions list in order for the correct pickup location to be sent to the driver app. If the system is not recognizing the address you type, double-check all address parts. It is also recommended that after you select an address from the drop-down list, you double-check that it is the correct one. The To field is the address that the passenger needs to be dropped off at. Begin typing the drop-off address following the same procedure you used for the From field. When you have finished entering the From and To addresses, the system will display the mileage for the ride next to the To field. The Notes field is optional. You can type any kind of information in this field, but it is recommended to put in information that will help the driver identify the passenger or the passenger's pickup location because this information displays to the driver in the driver app. Also, be careful of what you put here as the passenger might be able to see this information in the driver app while they're on the shuttle. The reference number is also optional. This field is usually for an internal reference number that is used to associate a repair order with a shuttle ride. If reference numbers are used by your dealership, type the reference number. The final field, under warranty, is also optional. This is for dealerships that need to know if the vehicle is under warranty for manufacturer reimbursement purposes. If your dealership gets reimbursements and the vehicle is under warranty, check the circle next to Covered Under Warranty. Leave the circle unchecked if your dealership doesn't get reimbursements or if the vehicle is not under warranty. When you have filled out all the information on the ride form, review it carefully. Then select Create Ride. The system takes a few seconds to assign the ride to an available shuttle.